they turn to gray. I'm right in the window. Rewind to the time when we were so close. And yesterday, yeah. Oh, you love me, don't mind. And I can be a little punk sometimes, but don't leave me alone. What's on the door of my house like it's yours? Don't need no key. I'm on my knees, begging you please. I gotta say this thing once and for all. Call my mama so you can have it all. I'm on my knees, begging you please, begging you please. I don't leave me. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, Jesus, ain't no new day. So amazed, and you need your love. Your body got a hobby, complaints on my feet. And calling me, you calling me up. You love me, oh, you love me so much. You'll be a little punk sometimes. But don't leave me alone. 'Cause I'm doing my heart like it's yours. Don't need no key. I'm on my knees. You please. I gotta say this thing once and for all. My mind so you can have it all. I'm on my knees, begging you please, Lord, don't leave me alone. I mean, it's hard to love your passion, having your hobby, that's for life. I think I'm living for the wrong reasons, through the seasons, and for you, but they put me on the list. And try to speak my mind, but my only says, and she would be mine, probably no kid. I'm not probably no kid. You know me, I can speak about my Jesus like I'm living at home. Listen, human, it's fair, so again, it's fair. And I'm feeling all night, sleep it is, man, English shoes, I can't even lie. And I've got inside, high. Leave me alone, keep coming day and night. Leave me alone. You're in my heart like it's your home. I'm on my knees, please. Tell this thing for a while. You got my